Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on goods and services tax. This is part first. Now come to the questions. Question number 1. GST was introduced in India with effect from options are A 1/1/2017, 1/4/2017, 1/1/2018 or 1/7/2017. Here, correct option is 1st July 2017 D. Question number 2. GST was introduced in Jammu and Kashmir with effect from options are A 1st of August 2017, B 1st of July 2017, C 1st of January 2018, D 8th of July 2017. Correct option is D 8 July 2017. 3. Constitution Amendment Act 2016 for GST was A 80th, B 101st, C 122nd, D none of the above. Correct option is B 101st. 4. As a result of Constitution Amendment for GST, a separate list has been inserted in the Constitution. Options are A. Article 246A, B. Article 146B, C. Article 122C, D. Article 101B. Your correct option is A. Article 246A. 5. The incidence of tax on tax is called A. Tax cascading, B. Tax pyramiding, C. Tax evasion, D. Indirect tax. Correct option is A. Tax cascading. 6. Under GST, value addition refers to A. Expenses plus profit, B. Cost plus tax, C. Cost plus tax plus profit, D. Tax plus profit. The correct option is A. Expenses plus profit. 7. UTGST is applicable when sold from Union Territory, B. Goods are purchased by central government, C. Sold from one Union Territory to another Union Territory, D. There is interstate supply. Correct option is A. Sold from Union Territory. 8. Integrated goods and services tax is applicable when A. Sold in Union Territory, B. Sold from one GST dealer to another GST dealer, C. Sold within a state, D. There is interstate supply. So correct option is when there is interstate supply. 9. SGST is applicable when A. Goods are sold within state, B. Goods are sold from one GST dealer to a customer, C. Goods are sold by a GST dealer to another GST dealer, D. Interstate supply. The correct option is A. Goods are sold within a state. 10. The taxes was not merged into GST. A. Countervailing duty, B. Excise duty, C. Basic customs duty, D. Purchase tax. Correct option is C. Basic customs duty. 11. Goods and service tax is a tax system. Options are A. Single point tax, B. Multi-point tax, C. Regressive tax, D. None of these. Correct option is B. Multi-point tax. 12. Goods and service tax is A. Supply based, B. Consumption based, C. Both supply and consumption based, D. None of these. Correct option is B. Consumption based. 13. When a GST dealer in Kerala sells a product to a GST dealer or customer in Tamil Nadu, the tax is collected is options are A. SGST, B. CGST, C. IGST or integrated GST, and D. UTGST. Correct option is C. Integrated GST. 14. After introduction of GST, import into India is A. Subject to IGST plus BCD, B. Subject to CGST plus SGST plus BCD, C. Zero rated, D. SGST plus CGST plus IGST plus BCD. Correct option is A. Subject to IGST plus BCD. 15. After introduction of GST, supplies to SEG, Special Economic Zone, are A. Subject to IGST, B. Subject to CGST plus SGST, C. Zero rated, D. SGST plus CGST plus IGST. Here correct option is C. Zero rated. 16. GST is a matter of jurisdiction of A. Union government, B. State government, C. Both center and state government, D. None of these. Correct option is C. Both center and state government. 17. Interstate trade is presently subject to A. SGST, B. CGST, C. Integrated GST, D. UTGST. Correct option is C. Integrated GST. 18. Introduction of GST affects the revenue of A. Consuming states, B. Manufacturing states, C. All these states, D. Central government. Correct option is B. Manufacturing states. 19. The council can take a decision only if there is A. 3/4 majority, B. 2/3 majority, C. 60% majority, D. Simple majority. Correct option is A. 3/4 majority. 20. GST dealers with annual turnover of dash are not required to use HSN code. A. Less than rupees 1.5 crore, B. Less than rupees 20 lakh, C. Less than rupees 1 crore, D. Less than rupees 75 lakh. Correct option is A. Less than rupees 1.5 crore. 21. Dealers whose annual turnover between rupees 1.5 crore and rupees 5 crore need to use A. 2-digit HSN code, B. 4-digit HSN codes, C. 4-digit SSN codes, D. 8-digit HSN codes. Here correct option is A. 2-digit HSN code. 22. Dealers with annual turnover of rupees 5 crore and above must use for their invoices A. 2-digit HSN code, B. 4-digit HSN codes, C. 4-digit HSN codes, D. 8-digit HSN codes. So here both B or C options are correct. 4-digit HSN codes. 23. In the case of import or export of goods, using dash is compulsory. A. 2-digit HSN code, B. 4-digit HSN code, C. 4-digit HSN code, D. 8-digit HSN code. Correct option is the 8-digit HSN code. 24. Under GST law, SAC refers to A. Systematic accounting code, B. Service accounting code, C. System administration code, D. Scientific accounting code. The correct option is B. Service accounting code. 25. Under GST law, tax rates are determined by A. Central government, B. State government, C. GST council, D. Central government in consultation with the state governments. The correct option is C. GST council. 26. The lowest tax rate under GST is A. 0.25%, B. 1%, C. 0.05%, D. 5%. The correct option is A. 0.25%. 27. Base metals, gold, silver, articles of jewelry are taxable in India at the rate of options are A. 0.25%, B. 1%, C. 3%, D. 5%. The correct option is C. 3%. 28. The highest GST rate applicable now is A. 100%, B. 18%, C. 28%, D. 50%. The correct option is C. 28%. 29. Tax deducted at source at the rate of 1% is applicable in the case of supplies received by A. Any GST dealer, B. Government departments, C. Commerce operators, D. Composite dealers. The correct option is B. Government departments. 30. Tax collected at source at the rate of 2% is applicable in the case of A. Any GST dealer, B. Government departments, C. E-commerce operators, D. Composite dealers. The correct option is C. E-commerce operator. Now this was all about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.